Mama's gonna do.
Okay, watch. Again. Again. That one's got some. Oh, look at Libby. Pretty. Put that one in. Now you ready?
No.
Color some more. Color some more. Oh, that's nice.
I need something.
Okay, let's put it in.
Let's draw something.
Draw something. What do you draw? A flower?
I can't draw something.
Yeah, you can. Pepa said you picked flowers. Did you pick flowers today? Say hi, Pepa. Okay, put it in.
Alright, put your egg in.
Careful. Drop it in. Put it in.
I can't put it in.
I'll put it in. Here. Mix it up. You mix it. Real slow.
Go slow.
Oh! It was close. Okay.